Creating an event booking system and ticket setup on WordPress in 2025 is a great way to manage your event effectively. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So the first thing you have to do is choose a plugin. So select a suitable event booking and ticket plugin for your WordPress site. Some popular options include the Eventing, Himalaya, and Ticktra. So you can just select in between the three plugins, then get them from the plugin option. After that, go to your once you install and activate the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugin and click on Add New. Search for your chosen plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. So after that, follow the setup wizard or go to the plugin settings to configure your event booking system. This may include the setting of payment gateway, customizing ticket template, and also configuring event detail. Once you do that, navigate to the plugin event management section and click on Add New Event. Fill the event details, some as names, date, time, location, and description. After that, set the ticket price and availability. After that, once you have filled all the necessary details, click on Publish to make your event live on your website, and that is how you can set up an event booking system in WordPress. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.